to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI engine designed to assist with stock decisions. While this engine is still under development, we are committed to transparency and sharing the results of this AI engine. Please note that the ideas shared on this channel are for educational purposes only, and for you to follow these actions, it is best that you do your own research before taking any decisions. So we do not have a specific idea for buying today, but we do have a couple of sell ideas. So one of the recommendations that we had given was Agenda Pharma, and this stock has fallen quite a bit by 6% or so. And I think we should stop a loss and sell off this stock. Although this has been not a very good recommendation, some of these stocks have done really well. Tata Communication, it continues to rise, so keep on holding to that stock, and we should see some really good benefits. But again, please note that the moment this starts to slide, please sell it off. The next one that we have today is CG Power. CG Power rose by nearly 6% and then it has flattened out in the couple of trading days. Again, the idea behind this stock is the moment it starts to slide, book your profit and exit out of the stock. However, it has potential to go more upside as well. So if you see, the previous rally was up and then there was a narrow gap and it is kind of going to rise up again. But the moment it slides, it is best to sell this stock. Another good idea given by this channel was on IGL. IGL has already made nearly 5% of profit, and it is a good idea to hold this stock, provided it continues to give the profit. Again, like the couple of other stocks discussed before this, the moment this stock also slides, it is best to sell it off and book the profits. And similar is the case with rallies. Rallies also has gained more than 5.5%, and it has already hit its target, but then continue to hold this stock, and hopefully it will rise more. But again, if it slips down a little, it is best to book profit and exit out of this stock. And for Aptus, that is Aptus Value Housing Finance Limited, we have actually hit the lower circuit, and therefore it is best to sell this stock. It looks like it is going to make a move downwards now. So that is all we have from Kuber Kushagra AI. Thank you for watching this channel, and please note that you should do your own research before following any of our decisions. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.